Hi guys, William from Executive Smash again. I've got a different one for you here today. I've got a supercharged Yamaha Wave Runner jet ski. Originally came in for some warranty repairs. These things have a little bit of a bad habit of developing some bubbles around the footwell where your feet go. We've got the equipment, the expertise and the skill set to be able to rectify that. So if any of you guys are having any sorts of those issues, feel free to contact us. We can guide you, point you in the right direction. While we were here, the owners asked if we can customise this jet ski. We've painted it in an Audi Signature RS3 grey. It's come up a treat, to be honest. Customised hydro turf mats, everything's tied in really well, and we're really happy with the result. So if any of you guys have any repairs, any customisation you need doing, or any warranty repairs for that matter, feel free to contact us. We'll guide you in the right direction, and we're always happy to help. Thanks, guys.